Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll talk about a company that is a global leader in IT services and they've got a very great digital transformation. This company is one of the gem on your IT industry. So this is something which you could buy and forget it for the next decade. So we'll cover everything from this company's business model, their market position, their financial performance, as well as their future growth prospects. So if you're curious about this company and if you know of this company, do leave the comments below. I can give you a hint. This company ranks top 100th in your NSE on your large cap index. And the company that we're going to talk today about is going to be Persistent Systems. So this company was formed in 2002. So by Anand Deshpande. So who is a global technology service and consultancy provider. So this company is from Pune and they are specializing in digital engineering and enterprise modernization. And the company also serves the global Fortune 500 companies. They are their major clients, and they also have about 2,000 plus other clients who are big giants across North America, Europe, and Asia. So they create their own proprietary softwares and they have their own frameworks which works towards integration as well as in acceleration of software services. They've got strategic partnership with big companies in the markets like Salesforce, AWS and stuff. So as I said earlier, this company has got a market cap about 1 lakh crores. To be very precise, 1 lakh 350 crores. And they rank about 100th in the large cap index on your stock market. So coming to the highlights of this company. So this company has got an expertise in digital engineering. Also in the recent trends, they are towards the cloud data, AI. And besides that, they've got long-term partnership with top tech companies in the industry. And they've got industry focus on healthcare, financial and technology. And their market leadership is their biggest USP. And they provide a lot of services. So Persistent System excels by offering end-to-end digital transformation services. That is their biggest USP. And they've got long-term client partnership, providing industry-specific solutions across various sectors. And what makes the company different is their deep expertise in the recent emerging technologies and strong focus on innovation and digital transformation. So these two become the very key aspect of the company. And besides that, they've got a long-term customer relationship. That also becomes a big USP to the company because Mr. Anand Deshpande, who is a very veteran IT professional who's got like a lot of contacts with all across the globe. And the financial performance of the company is also like really good because the company has got annual revenue of about $1 billion in 2023 year ending, and they've got a growth rate of about 12 to 15% year after year, and this is happening consecutively since your past 10 years. From the COVID times, they have grown up geometrically. They were almost trading around 250, 260 rupees. Now they are trading around 6,000 rupees. And their key revenue streams are going to be in product engineering, in cloud services, as well as in AI solutions. As I said earlier, they have a profit margin of about 15-20%. And their biggest revenue driver is in core IT services. Besides that, they've got a very huge margins in product engineering. They've got their own product. And they also give consultancy and recurring services. The company also has got a strong balance sheet, and which means they've got minimal debt. They have got a very robust cash reserve of about 20 to 25% of their annual revenue. And their cash flow management is always consistently positive for year after year, and their working capital management is like really good. So that makes the company really good in terms of financial things, and the company has got about 375 plus clients. So coming to the investor and the shareholder value. So what if you invest in this company? So this company is like trading both in your NSE and BSE, and they are been giving up dividend consecutively. And if you happen to see their charts, we'll see them in the next while. And they have got a very strong appeal for long-term investors. So as I said earlier, this is buy once and forget for the next decade. That kind of a stock it is. And they've got like a lot of strategic investments, and their investment into R&D development, also in AI, cloud and data capabilities make them biggest players in the market. And they're also into talent development and strategic acquisitions. They hire up a lot of new talents into the team. So the company also works with biggest IT players in the market. As I said earlier, they work with IBM, Salesforce, AWS, Red Hat, Microsoft, Google. Whoever is there in the market, they have got their strategic tie-ups with them. So the company also has got about 15,000 plus certifications. So they are like certified for that. And the company has recently appointed in the quarter one of financial 2024 one Mr. Ajit Ranade, who has been appointed as the independent director for the company. He is a veteran economist known in the Indian market for about 32 years of experience into this economic development. So coming to the pros and cons of this company, they've got a very diversified portfolio, be it healthcare, be it finance, be it whatever, they are into that. And their technology leadership is like really good, and their global delivery module and their experienced team. All these are the USP of this company. The negatives, I would say that they've got a very great competition in the market because of global IT leaders, because their main business is in North America, where we've got like giants like Accenture and Cognizant taking up the biggest share of the market. And there is a biggest market pressure which is always there due to economic uncertainties. Now with the Trump 2.0, then this definitely the IT sector is going to boom. But earlier it was not the case. And they have to compete with big industry giants in India too, like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, HCL, and all of these players in the market. So that becomes one of the negative of this. Besides this stiff competition, Persistent System differentiates itself with all its niche expertise as well as in their agile approach. So that makes them really key players in the market. So when talking about the future growth and the expansion prospect of the company has got like strategic focus areas on accelerating your digital transformation services, strengthening your cloud and AI capabilities, and expanding into new markets, into like new positions where they have not ventured into. They also have planned up for new potential acquisitions as well as partnership, and their growth potential is definitely onto new technologies like digital engineering, expanding their AI services, or into adapting cloud services. And besides that, their financial analysis is the biggest thing that we are going to do now. The company has always delivered a good profit growth of about 26 to 30% year after year. So that's the CAGR for the last 5 years. So 26.9% is the CAGR. And the company has been maintaining a very good healthy record of about 30 to 40%. So if you happen to see here in this chart, the company has got a stock PE of 83, which is slightly higher value, but for a company of this caliber, that is like accepted value. And they've got an ROC of 30%. Their ROE is also 24%. That's all like very good numbers. And the face value of the company is like 5. It just went on a stock split from 10 to 5. If you happen to see the quarterly results of the company, year after year, you could always see that the sales values are like really increasing, and their operating profit is also increasing year after year. That's again a good number to see. And the EPS of the share is also inclining every year after year. And the net profit value for this September 2024 quarter is like 325 crores. That's a very good number too. And this is again the P&L statement. So you could see here that the CAGR of the company for the past 10 years is 32%. For the past 5 years is like 80% due to the IT boom. And for the past 3 years is like 84 and 87 for the last 1 year of CAGR. So from 252 rupees when it was in COVID-19 phase to 6,500, which is trading as of now. Today market price is roughly about 6,596. So that is the whopping growth they have gone through. You could see here in the chart, if you see that like the past 10 years value of this during COVID break, it was roughly about 245 rupees. That was the exact price it was trading at. And now it is almost about 6,500. And this is expected to grow even higher in the years that is going to come after this. And the holdings of this company, if you happen to see that this has been held by all FIIs, so this has been loved by FIIs. There is almost 23% of them is being taken by FIIs. Besides that, mutual funds across India, 22% is being owned by them. All big players in mid-cap sectors, we've HDFC or it's Motilal Oswal. These are like biggest players in your mutual fund industry too, and they all have this great weightage on this stock. So Motilal Oswal is one of the biggest player in your mid-cap sector, and they have been delivering greater results in your mid-cap mutual fund, and their biggest asset allocation of about 7% is there in this particular stock, also in their flexi-cap fund too. And besides that, it's also been held by other DIIs too. Almost 5% is being held by them. And the promoter holding is 30%. That's got roughly reduced by about like 0.4%. Besides that, the company is like really good. The company's sales growth is about 17% for the last 10 years. So the competitive profit margins, their balanced revenue streams, the strong innovation culture, all these makes the company really good in the market. Their agile response to the market trends changing according to the new things. That all makes the company really good in the market. So as we saw, all these points make the company really great in the market. So the Persistent Systems, I would say, is like a really well managed, financially sound company with a very clear vision for the future. So their innovative services, their financial metrics, and all of these makes them greater position in the IT sector, in the IT sector market too. There are a lot of small cases which have been using this same script, and they have been into a greater profit allocation or an asset allocation into that. And if you like this video, do share it with your friends, and do let me know if you're going to buy this stock and add it up to your portfolio. So for more financial insights or for more news, just subscribe to this channel, click on this bell icon too, and I'll catch up in the next one. Thanks for watching.